Guys, this is question number 24, and I'm going to find the question is like find the GCD. GCD means great common divisor of two number, right? So the question is find the GCD of two number. Okay, greatest common divisor. So I'm going to explain you step by step actually and uh, about this code, and I will explain every step of this code so you will understand properly way. Okay, in the proper way. So the step one is define the input number, like you can see step one I wrote. So in this step we define the two input number for which we want to find the GCD. It means greatest common divisor. Here we have set number 1 to 48 and num to 18 as an example. Okay, and come to the step 2, this one, define a function to calculate GCD. Okay, so what we have to do, we define a JavaScript name calculate GCD which take two parameters a and b, representing the two number for which we want to find the GCD. We use a while loop to continue the calculation until one of the number become d, right? Or inside the loop we create a temporary variable temp to store the value of b. We update b to be the remainder of a divided by b. This step is a key part of the Euclidean algorithm. We update a to the previous value of b stored in temp. Okay, the loop continues until b becomes 0, at which point a contain the GCD, matlab means greatest common divisor. Come to the step 3. We call the calculate GCD function with the input number num1 and num2 to calculate the GCD. Come to the step 4. Finally we print the result to the console, which include the original numbers and the calculated GCD. When you run this code with the minimum input of 48 and 16, it will show you the output GCD of 48 and 18 is 60. 18 is 6. So guys, let's meet in question number 25. I have explained to you question number 24, and just again, if you are unable to understand, please like the video and share the video, and comment if you have any other question which you wanted to explain, and just tell me that pass the question in the comment section. I will explain you. I will make the video on that. Okay, so yeah man, let's meet in question number 25.